Try some water. It's like ice in liquid form. Of course, there might be a bit of an aftertaste. Here, how about something nice and grape-flavored instead? And it comes with a cute dispenser. Just press down and pour yourself a glass. Cheers! Now isn't that better? Guess you found our secret ingredient. We've got fresh fruit, but they're not for eating, silly. Time to put those bunny feet to use. You kick, and she'll kick back and have a sip. Wait, do you know where those feet have been? There's more than one way to skin some fruit. Besides, we can use our special bunny blender. Good thing we've got some leftover fruit. Ooh, shall we set things to puree? Now we've got some pretty and pink smoothies. What you waiting for? Have a sip. Hey, what's that? Well, this candy's seen better days. Yeah, I don't think the 5-second rule applies here. Uh-oh, Wenda needs to go. Well, from flower pot to chamber pot. But I don't think you know who will be happy about this. This cat could sure use a litter box. Better yet, a throne fit for the king of the beasts. Have a seat. Or would you prefer porcelain? Don't be scared. Just keep pushing. Sure, things might be coming up marshmallows, but I'd still close the lid if I were you. Okay, Pinky, time to put your feet up. But you know, a little mouthwash wouldn't hurt either. You check out that mouth, I'll open a window. I was wondering where that teacup was. It's okay. Nothing some extra strong brushing can't fix. But that brush might just make things worse. Besides, dentists just love electric toothbrushes. And they do all the moving and shaking for you. Now say goodbye to all that gunk. Much better. Just don't forget to floss. Wenda's got her head in the clouds today. So why don't we play with a big balloon? Yeah, I wouldn't pop that if I were you. We really should keep these two on a leash. Naughty, naughty. Balloons should be treated with respect. Besides, it's the perfect excuse to try our new toy. This brings new meaning to pumping gas. With a little elbow grease, there's enough for 2 cars. Here, why don't you give it a go? Time for some bath time fun. And just in time, too. Grab a brush. Close, but that's a bush. Well, at least it's got bristles. Or should I say needles? Calm down, or somebody will hear you. But it's okay. She knows what to do. Here, this will suck out the poison. Well, thorn. I want you to meet our biggest fan. Didn't you hear to keep your hands to yourself? Come on, we need to stop her. Or failing that, the fan! This thing needs a cover. A net will do. Besides, a fan needs to look cool. Fans are all about cool. And there are more fun things to do with a fan. Like having a big bubble blowout. Well, it looks like snack time is in progress. And you can't go wrong with corn on the cob. Until it all gets stuck in your teeth. Talk about having your food al dente. It's an easy fix. Bring out the toothpicks. Hey, 52 pickup is for cards. Don't worry, a little birdie told her what to do. Just give it a dunk, and it'll pick up the stick for you. Now let's finally ditch those kernels. In fact, she might need double duty for this job. Toothpicks. You can't just stop at one. Arts and crafts time. Ooh, it's scented. It smells like fruit, but it doesn't taste like it. But I think they're gonna learn about it the hard way. Still, that's one way to get a colorful tongue. And you shouldn't let good paint go to waste. Not bad, but you kind of owe this girl some art supplies. These locks will make a perfect hairbrush. Let's hope she's still got some paint to use. But she's a good sport. Brushes for everyone. That said, I think they're better with tongues. Uh-oh, Pinky's looking a little green. Ooh, make that a whole lot of green. I think someone should stop them. Ugh, this is just sick. And by the look of it, so is she. Don't worry, you just need to take your medicine. Open up, Pinky. Here's the airplane. You know, it works a lot better if you swallow. And I think she could use some too. Here, this medicine tool should help. At the very least, it makes it look cute. See? The medicine went down. And we didn't even need a spoonful of sugar. Whoa, ketchup! The king of condiments! Eating it plain? Would you like fries with that? Would charm school be a lost cause for them? Why don't we put it in a squeeze bottle? Besides, it'll be a lot more fun in this new device. Oh, calm down. It's a special dispenser. Now let's grab some food to use it on. Oh, hot dogs with lettuce. It's basically a salad. This ketchup is good to the last drop. Ooh, looks like Dad's home. Should we introduce you? Guess not. Down the rabbit hole you go. Wait, I think she wants Dad to meet you. Hey, what did I tell you? These two are ice cold. Come on, girls. It's time for school. Calm down. One at a time. One at a time. And look who followed them to school. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Sprunki at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Sprunki friends. Uh-oh, the warm colors are making a mess. Well, we can always just spread the love. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it's surprise inspection time. Ooh, poor Blue. You got the blame. But don't get angry. Get even. Or better yet, it's time to get crafting. And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box. And it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get gone with the wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be? Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Uh-oh, you're out of ink. It's our printer all over again. Don't worry, your Sprunki friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Sprunkis. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love.